How to sign up Prime Video account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Prime Video account. If you love movies, TV shows, and exclusive content, this is the platform for you. So let's get started. Prime Video is Amazon's streaming service offering thousands of movies, TV shows, and original content. But before you can start watching, you need to sign up for an account. Let me walk you through how to do it. Now, before we start the sign up process, here what you'll need: a valid email address, credit or debit card, and internet connection. Now, let's get started with the process. Open your web browser and go to www.primevideo.com. Alternatively, you can also download the Prime Video app on your mobile devices from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now, once you're on the Prime Video website or in the app, you'll see an option that says Start your 30-day free trial or sign up. Click or tap on it to proceed. Here, as you can see, start your free trial. Now, to sign up for Prime Video, you'll need an Amazon account. If you already have one, just log in using your Amazon email and password. If not, create your Amazon account to set one up yet. Now, what you need to do is simply enter your payment information. Don't worry, you'll only be charged after your free trial ends. If you selected the trial option, Amazon accepts various payment methods like credit or debit cards and PayPal in some regions. Now, after this, simply click on Add your card. Review your details to make sure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, click or tap Confirm and Subscribe to finalize your Prime Video account creation. Now, once you've completed the sign up process, you'll be taken to the Prime Video homepage. Now, you can browse through thousands of movies, TV shows, and Amazon originals.